This video I'll cover how to use API routes in Next.js. For that I am using Next.js 15, and here you can see our homepage and it is our global layout. So here is our basics. So after running this project, so it is displaying this text from our homepage. So we're gonna creating new Next.js API routes. That's why I'm keeping all the project, all the routes in our same directory. That's why I'm use API slash so you cannot give your route in the same directory, because here you have a page already, you have page and you cannot use the route in the same directory. So for APIs in Next.js, you must be name this file as route.ts, or you can use JS. So for making all our code base simpler and easy to understand, I'm taking all the API related file in the API folder, and you can use any folder name. You can use here like user or but you cannot directly use this route and this page at the same time, but you can remove this page and you can use the route here. So yeah, after that, if I go to /API in the local 3000, our first API is working, so it is good. We can render as JSON. We can render JSON here. This is hello world. Okay, our everything is working. It is from API, and we can create easily REST API and full stack application using Next.js. So the browser only support get method. If we want to use like post, delete, patch method, we need to use like client, or for testing if yes, you can use Postman. I'm using Insomnia. So here I have just created a new APIs collection, and after that I'm adding my base URL here. So this is our page URL. We can use it and change it at any time. We don't need to use this URL every time. We set as a page URL as a global variable, and we can use it everywhere. And we're gonna create a new HTTP request that I'm renaming it. Test. Okay. I'm just giving this. So it is working. So it is our page URL. You can hover it, and this is successfully set our page URL. And /API hit. We are getting the successfully response from our Next.js. So that is it, and we can create like here. We can create post method, post request here. So here we can pass data as a JSON in the body. So we need to pass JSON body. You can use form data. If you want to use form data, you can use here request dot not JSON. You can use form data, but I like to use JSON. That's why I am using JSON here, and I am passing this JSON, and I'm selected. And now I need to set just name. Good. This is our JSON is correctly formatted, but maybe I'm not getting. Oh, sorry. So I'm duplicating this. Making post request and this edit. Oh, we are getting data and we are getting response what we have passed in as a JSON data. We are getting the response from our server. So you can use pass, put, and 5 methods in here, and you can create like nested route, or you can use like you need authentication, you need products, you need blogs, likes, comments. You can separate your related file folders in a directory for better understanding and a better developer experience. So user slash register slash route.ts. So when I hit slash user slash register, then this function or this API will be called, and I will get data from the server and just passing message. User registered successfully and we can pass status here and status text also. So we are using post method. That's why I am using 201 for create method or post method. So here when we hit slash user slash register, then this function will be called and we are getting data from the request JSON from this. So this is our JSON. We are passing data, and for passing JSON you need to must select this JSON. You can use form data. So here you can. So if you want to use form data, so how you will use? So for that form data. So it is not just data, it is just form data. And for getting extracting form data, so it is same as like before, but you can get the form data dot get. So when you use form data or JSON, so JSON is just normal text or text like data, or if you want to use like image, video, audio, etc., then you need to use form data. So for this case you can use form data, and which data you are passing from your client, then the same data you will get. You can extract data like name, email, password. I will pass. I'm extracting this data and I'm passing as a data, and the same name, email, password I'm passing here. Okay. Or just it is as same. So I'm passing data. So data is everything is name, email, password. And you can do like a password, you need to hash the password. You can do anything here. It is a server like Node.js, and it is everything is Node.js. So don't be panic, it is full stack application, and it is very easy to use. So you can try it out. So I'm using form data, that's why I need to create I'm creating new request. I'm giving the request name is rename it register user, and we need to say post method. I'm using body, I am using form data, I'm using name. You can pass images here, name, web code, and okay, sorry for that, email, and connect just need password. Okay, let's do things here, that's all. Okay. So maybe, oh sorry, I don't give this slash API slash user slash register. So that means slash API slash user slash register. This function will be executed. We are getting form data here. We are just extracting everything is here. It is just normal data. It is just key value pairs of data. So we are extracting data, and we don't need this data, but you can do anything using this data. Like you need to hash the password before store on the database, and you can do anything here. What you do on the server in Node.js or Express.js or Next.js or Django. Like you can use a database here. You can do anything here. So we are passing this data, but so name will password hit. Oh, register successfully, success is true, and 201 is created. So status, and we are getting that same data that I passed using it. And you can use file, you can send a file. So benefit of form data, you can pass file and multi-line text and a lot of things. And just JSON data, you just pass key value pairs of data as a JSON to your server. So that is it. You can use post method, get, put for updating, or pass for updating data, or you can use anything. You can do anything. You can create slash user slash register, you can create slash user slash login, and you know what you want to do with your application. So for your need, you will create your own APIs, what your goal exactly in your app. So that is it. It is very simple. You don't need separate server. For small and medium size application it is good, but if you need mobile, if you need your APIs on the mobile devices or mobile devices, not mobile application, and real-time capabilities, then you should use separate server. It will be better than Next.js. So simple and medium size application, it's enough. It is very simple, it's straightforward. And how simple is that? Just 2 lines of code. You can use post request and like you can db. And suppose you have a database like db, use post. You can use Pisma or Pisma or MongoDB, Mongoose, or you can do anything what you do on the server. So that is it. So thank you.